In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add emphasis in ElevenLabs Fast and Easy. This is a valuable technique to enhance your audio projects, making specific words stand out to grab your listener's attention. Whether you're working on a podcast, an audiobook, or any form of multimedia, emphasis can really make your work come alive and have that professional touch. To start with, let's talk about the importance of emphasis in speech. Emphasis helps to convey the emotion and intent behind words, ensuring that the listener easily grasps the key elements. It can transform a flat, monotonous narrative into something engaging and dynamic. As we dive into the process, remember that emphasis is not just about making your voice sound louder on certain words. It's about strategic placement and subtlety, creating impact without overwhelming the listener. Now let's jump into how you can achieve this in ElevenLabs. First off, you'll need to wrap the word you want to emphasize with specific tags. This is done using the HTML-style tags like this. You use the word emphasis inside angle brackets before and after the word you want to stand out. For example, if you wish to emphasize the word important, you'd place it within those tags. So it looks like this: angle bracket / emphasis angle bracket. This simple tagging allows the software to recognize which words to highlight during generation. Next, you'll take this tagged word or phrase and paste it into the script box within ElevenLabs. The script box is where your text goes, which the AI will then process to generate speech. Make sure the tags are accurately placed around each word. This step is crucial because any errors, like misplaced tags, could lead to incorrect emphasis or none at all. Finally, once you have your script ready with the emphasized words properly tagged, it's time to click on the Generate button. This command will initiate the speech production process, allowing the AI to work its magic. In just a moment, you'll be able to listen to your text and hear how the emphasized words pop out, giving your audio the desired effect of varying emphasis. By following these simple steps, you'll see how easy it is to amplify your content's vocal expressiveness. Remember, practice makes perfect. You can experiment with different placements and listen to how emphasis changes the way your audience perceives the message. Over time, you'll get a better feel for when and where to apply these tags for maximum impact. This skill can drastically enhance communication effectiveness. So give it a try and see the difference it makes in bringing your words to life. That's it for today's guide on adding emphasis in ElevenLabs. Happy creating.